Hello friends, welcome to another interesting video. This video is for those who are new to Windows. We know that WhatsApp is very popular and half of the world's population uses it, and it is becoming a daily necessity. Today, we will install it. Note, you can install it on any version of Windows and enjoy all the features like chat, voice, and video calls without any additional software. The process is very simple. Just watch the video till the end. The first step is very easy. For this, you can use any browser. I am currently using Chrome browser. After this, you have to write WhatsApp for PC in the search bar, and the first Microsoft website will come. Click on it. After this, Microsoft Store will open, and you can easily download WhatsApp here. If you are not able to download, then I will give its link in the description below. Apart from this, you can also install WhatsApp by directly opening Microsoft Store, but it does not work on many people's PC, so you can also download it from Google. After you download WhatsApp in PC, you have to connect your WhatsApp to PC from your mobile phone. For this, you will open WhatsApp in your phone. You will see 3 dots on the top, click on it, then click on Settings, and then click on QR code icon, and you will be able to link your WhatsApp to PC by scanning the code of PC from your phone. And after this, the account you are using on your mobile will instantly appear on your desktop. Now you can use WhatsApp without keeping your phone online. You will get all the WhatsApp features as they are available on mobile. You can also view statuses from here. You can create new contacts, and in settings, you can change the wallpaper and theme. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this type of videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.